Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the laptop so the setup runs smoothly. First, plug it in and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Windows needs internet to activate features. Once done, sign in with your Microsoft account or create one. This syncs settings and OneDrive. Make sure you have the product key or digital license handy in case activation asks. If you prefer privacy, choose a local account now, but note some services won't sync automatically without a Microsoft account. Now execute the out-of-box experience steps methodically. Confirm language, region, and keyboard layout, then review privacy toggles. Disabling telemetry reduces data sharing. Next, create a Windows Hello PIN for quicker sign-in and enable device encryption like BitLocker if available for security. Once at the desktop, run Windows Update and install vendor drivers to ensure battery, Wi-Fi, and graphics perform correctly. Finally, install your essential apps from the Microsoft Store or manufacturer site to avoid unwanted third-party and finish by customizing power settings, display scaling, and default apps so your workflow is comfortable. Once configured, enable OneDrive sync and create a system restore point, then back up to an external drive or cloud to protect your setup. If activation, update, or network issues occur, first restart the laptop and router, then re-enter your Microsoft credentials. If problems persist, run the built-in Windows Troubleshooter and check the network adapter or activation status in settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.